Good day. I am Glenn Francel Ambrosio.
I'm John Brian Ticadedrolia.
I am Aaron Christian B. Gonzalo.
I'm Nauto Tiligarde.
I'm Franz Adrian G. Libro.
And this is Group 4.
And this Group4.
And this is Group 4.
And this is Group4.
And this is Group 4. AP8 is all about programming a tilt or vibration sensor from our Arduino kit to respond to vibrations. Its tilt sensor uses a moving metal ball inside to detect tilting or changes in orientation. When the sensor detects a movement, the LED is high or turned on. When no movement is detected, the LED is low or turned off.
Now, let's discuss the components you'll need for this project. You'll need one Arduino Uno, one breadboard, 5 male-to-male jumper wires, one 5mm LED, two 220 ohm resistor, and one tilt switch sensor. To build the circuit, connect the LED, wire, tilt sensor, and resistor to the breadboard as shown in the diagram in your project guide.
Once you have all the components ready, carefully assemble the circuit on the breadboard. 1. Connect one end of the jumper cable to one of the ground pins on the Arduino and the other end to the leg of the resistor. 2. The other leg of the resistor is next to the leg of the tilt switch sensor. There are new jumper cable is connected to the 5-volt power input. Connect another jumper cable from the remaining leg of the tilt switch sensor to one of the digital input pins on the Arduino Uno. Connect the longer leg of the LED to a 220 ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the resistor to one of the digital output pins on the Arduino Uno using a jumper cable. Connect the shorter leg of the LED directly to the ground pins on the Arduino Uno using another jumper cable. Ensure that your connections are secure and there are no loose wires, and now your project is assembled.
For the code, we'll use the Arduino IDE to write and upload the program to the Arduino board. Here's how it works.
This variable is set to 13, indicating the LED is connected to digital pin 13 on the Arduino board. This variable is set to 3, indicating that the tilt switch sensor is connected to digital pin 3 on the Arduino. This variable is used to keep track of the state of the sensor. This line instructs pin 13 as an output, which means it will be used to control the LED. This line instructs pin 3 as an input, indicating it is connected to the tilt switch sensor. This line sets up an interrupt. When there is a change of voltage detected on digital pin 3, it will trigger the blink function. This allows the program to respond to the tilt switch's activation. This line checks if the state variable is not equal to 0, and checks whether the state has been changed from its default value 0. This line turns the LED on by setting pin 13 to high. This means the LED will turn on. After turning on the LED, there's a delay of 500 milliseconds or half a second. For the else block, if the state is equal to 0, it means that no tilt or vibration is currently detected. In this case, the code continuously turns off the LED by setting the pin 13 to low. The blink function is called when the tilt switch sensor triggers an interrupt. This line simply adds the state variable by 1. In other words, it counts how many times the tilt switch sensor has been triggered or tilted.